Today we're going to learn about percent word problem. Let's say we have a problem like this. A minute ago, 80% of kids in the town hall were girls. 140 more kids entered the hall. As a result, the number of girls increased by 25%, and the number of boys increased by 75%. How many kids are there in the hall now? Now the problem states that a minute ago, 80% of the kids in the town hall were girls. So let's label this column as a minute ago. A minute. So a minute ago, 80% of the kids in the town hall were girls. So the number of girls, or the girls, G for girls, is equal to 80%. And the number of boys, B for boys, is equal to 100% minus 80%, which is equal to 20%. So this means that the total number of kids, or total kids, is equal to 100%. Now, the problem also states that as a result, the number of girls increased by 25%. The number of boys increased by 75%. So let's label this column as now. So now, the number of girls, G for girls, is equal to 125, which is because we're adding 25% more girls. So 125%, or 125 over 100, of 80%, or times 80%. This is equal to 125% times 80%. You can cross out these zeros. 10 and 125 are both divisible by 5, so it becomes 2 and 25. And 2 goes into 8 for 4 times. So we get 25 times 4, which is equal to 100%. So the number of girls is equal to 100%. Now the number of boys, B for boys, increased by 75%. So 175%, or 175 over 100, because we're getting 75% more boys, and the number of boys increased by 75%, times the number of boys we had a minute ago, which was 20%, which is equal to 35%. So, this means that the total kids, T for total, K for kids, is equal to 100% plus 35%, which was equal to 135%. So the total number of kids is equal to 135% now. Now, we know that the number of more kids that we got is equal to 140. So, increase in kids, I for increase, K for kids, is equal to 140. It is also equal to 135%, which is the number of kids we have now, minus 100 kids, 100% of kids, which is how many kids we had a minute ago. And this is equal to 35%. So this means that 35% is equal to 140. 35% is equal to 140. So 1% is equal to 4. Now we need to find out how many kids are in the hall now. So 135% of the kids are in the hall now. So 135% is equal to 4 times 135, which is equal to 540 kids. So the number of kids that are in the hall now are equal to 540 kids. So the answer to this problem, which is how many kids are in the hall now, is equal to there are 540 kids in the hall now. Today we learned about percent word problem. Thank you for watching this video.